Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inviting Pokétwo and granting it necessary permissions, because without those it cannot respond. Once invited, create or choose a dedicated channel to keep captures organized. This reduces clutter and permission errors. Make sure your role can send messages and read message history, so commands and bot replies show properly. After that, type P, start, or the bot's prefix command to initialize. You'll see welcome messages explaining catch rates and cooldowns, which matter for timing your next actions. You watch the channel actively. Pokétwo spawns are triggered by activity, so keep the chat alive and monitor for spawn messages. Once a Pokémon appears, use P, catch followed by the name exactly, spell names carefully because typos fail the attempt. Understand cooldowns and modifiers. Some servers add spawn rate boosts or rarity events, and items alter catch probability, so manage those. Then, if you missed one, don't panic. Continue engaging and learn peak spawn patterns for better timing and consistent success. You finish by organizing your team. Use P, team to view active Pokémon, and P, Pokédex to confirm catches and stats because a tidy roster improves selection during battles or trades. When you need space, use P, release, or P, trade to manage duplicates and preserve valuable ones. If Pokétwo stops responding, check permissions first. Channel overrides and missing roles are common causes. Next, verify the bot's prefix hasn't changed and ensure you're not hitting rate limits. If needed, re-invite the bot or...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.